Hello guys, may papakita ko sa inyong property here in Cabuyao, Laguna, here in Centera Residences Phase 2 na si Cana model. Lot area is 80 square meter and floor area is 56 square meter. So panoorin niyo itong video, papakita ko sa inyo mismong bahay. So guys, nagustuhan nyo ba yung property here in Centera Phase 2? Message lang kayo sa aking social media account for more details and computation and house specs nito. So see you guys, wait ko kayo. See you sa aking next wonder.